Be careful, there's tigers around here on the jungle trek. Which jungle trek is this? Which one is it?
The lion one.
The lion one, that's helpful. These must be monkeys over here. Here they are, they're over here. I think we're in bat territory. Bats. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's a tree monitor right there. Bats, where's the bats? You see any bats? There they are, there's the bats.
It smells.
It smells, they're stinky bats. Stinky bats. Yes, Avery. Who doesn't like bats? Ace Ventura does not like bats. I don't know. They say there's tigers around, but we haven't seen any yet.
Tiger.
Is it lions and tigers and bears?
Oh my.
Oh my. There you go.
Oh
Let's see. Let's see if they come over here. You can see his head and his paws right there.
Oh, it's so... Oh.
Yeah, he's right.
Down. Right there.
Alright, let's go on the other window so you can see people.
I can see him. He's laying right.
Look how big his paws are, Sophie.
It might be too dark for them to see him.
Here we are. We found a tiger. All signs said they were tigers, and we found a tiger. And there's pictures of tigers over there, too. Alright, let's see what else we can find on this jungle trek. There. Look at he's stretching his wings.
Whoa!
Look at them, they're both stretching their wings. They're having a fit.
Mom, can you put my hat in your bag?
They're bouncing. This is the mating ritual
Yeah, I was gonna say
of the red-headed storks. We might see something inappropriate, folks.
No.
Close your eyes. Oh, there's some those bondaboks over there or something. Oh, and there's some goose.
Some geese.
Some geese, some goose. Look at them. Run away! Run away! Run away! Run away! Alright, so it doesn't let you video when the battery light's on. So... we gotta go through... The purpose of these is to put them over your head so you don't get pooped on. Right? There's your poop cover. There's your poop cover. Here's my poop cover. Ooh. See them? Gray and green. Pretty. Ooh, there's a big white one. Big white one's flying around. Alright, Avery, show me the guide. Very nice. Look on the other side. Show me the other side. Very nice. We are looking for all those birds. You were going to find them all? Avery, you squirted me in the face. There's some in the tree. Some that just dive bombed Daddy and Sophie. Stinky in here? Yeah. That's why you have the poop covers. Oh, look at them. Look at them. Oh, there's some up there. They're gonna poop, I can tell. Look at all the white ones up there.
You can see it in their eyes.
Yes, they're evil poopy birds. Evil poopy birds. You hear them? There's a big black one right there, up in the tree. Yes.